So if this was a touching romantic story, this is probably where a new feeling would wash over me and our eyes would meet, and suddenly we would be furiously making out with the fire of 1,000 suns. But this isn't a touching romantic story. Anyway.
Time just floated by. What I wanna know. Right between these eyes.
Please stop!
Oh, please, Greg, you should be overjoyed. Now you can go back to your life of being invisible and detached and self-hating.
You can go back to your life of being dead.
Nice. Really nice.